Hello everyone and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk and this is tip number 270, AI generated site theme with Copilot. In our last tips, we looked at using AI to generate text on a web page, an entire page, or even an entire site. Next, we're going to look at how Copilot can help us generate a color theme for our website. Creating a color theme is done via the Copilot side pane in the Pages workspace of the Power Pages Design Studio. If it isn't open, click the Copilot icon in the top right corner to do so. Choose the Page Design option and then pick Create a Color Theme. Now you can pick from some of the suggested prompts or enter in one yourself. Then click the Send button. Copilot will provide some suggested colors. If you like what you see, you can apply it. Or ask Copilot to try again. Right now, you can't provide an existing website for Copilot to reference in order to create a theme. That would be a great feature, and hopefully something that will be available in the future. In the meantime, you can provide colors as part of your prompt, or use natural language, like summer colors, to describe what kind of theme you want. Once you create your theme, it can be customized, just like any other theme, in the Styling workspace. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 270 on AI-generated site theme with Copilot useful.